Hi, I'm cooking bream today. It's fish, like this. It's fillet. It's for two people, two pieces for two people. For a big dinner. I think for guests, this big fillet would be enough for two people. Bream, spelling is B-R-E-A-M. It's a very good fish. I think you can buy it over there also. And you put leek in it, a little bit of leek. It's just water and leek, you see. And clove. It's spice. You see this? It's a special spice. It smells very good. And in English it's called clove. Spelling is C-L-O-V-E, I think. So you put 5 pieces inside and stir it a little bit like this and bring it to boil. It shouldn't boil really very much. It should boil just a little bit and not for a long time. And this is how you prepare the fish. In the meantime, you put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and heat it up. Just middle flame, and add cut onion. It was like this big onion in quarters. And that's all for now. And once the onion is ready, almost ready, you put a little bit of pepper, fresh pepper, which is also cut into little pieces like this. I could put a little bit of more of the onion, but I don't have it. I forgot to buy it. So it should be more than this for you. It's wait, I will tell you. It should be, this is the recipe. This is the way it should look like in the end. And the recipe is Italian. Now you fry it for a short while. You see that the fish is almost cooking, yeah? And you leave it like this for a short time, maybe 5 minutes, not more. And this is already enough. You see that the onion is a little bit yellow, not yellow, but a little bit. And you add a little bit of pepper. I use 2 peppers, the green ones, because they have not the capia, but the tiny, long, white, which has more flavor. And you fry it together. It's a very good recipe. I do it for Christmas. But for Christmas I prepare it for a starter. I just have a cold starter and warm starter, and this I cook for Christmas as a warm starter. Then you add garlic, 2 pieces, chopped. I mean 2 pieces like this, okay? Chopped. And garlic you cannot do very long because it's bitter then. You can give it only a minute, not more. Once the garlic is brown, it's not good anymore. So, and then tomatoes, Tomatoes are 4 pieces, middle size. This big, 4 pieces. And then you add olives. It's mixture of green and black olives. And you put it inside and mix it together. Then you put wine inside. I don't measure it. It's good white wine. It shouldn't be, it's dry. It cannot be sweet. It has to be dry. And you just pour some wine in it. Just cover it in wine, like this. This is enough. Just to be covered. See, everything is in wine. And then you reduce it. You just cook it on high flame, strong flame. So you reduce the wine until the liquid is gone. So what you should do is to reduce the wine. And from spice, you need ground. You see, ground pepper. It's fresh pepper, fresh ground. It's always better because it has stronger taste. In Thailand you can put there a little bit of chili, but not much. Which means 1 chili, not 5 chilies. It shouldn't be spicy, because once it's spicy you will lose the taste of all the ingredients which you put inside. And you see the fish is ready. And you take it out of water. I hope I don't lose it somewhere here. The kitchen is not really clean because the lady who cleans our house comes on Thursday, so it's not really clean. So first I take the leek out. See, this you can just throw away, it's for nothing. Just throw it somewhere. Put it here. Then you take the fish. One piece, second piece, and it's very hot, so you can do nothing now. So you wait until it's touchable, I would say. You see, it's already better. You lose a lot of wine, which is good. And you preheat the oven. I put there 25 minutes only because it's cold. And this oven takes 15 minutes to be hot. So actually you bake it for between 5 and 10 minutes. And it's still not enough. It still has to be more. You still have a lot of juice, which is not good. And in the meantime you can cut the fish. Don't tear it. You have to do it softly. Otherwise you just tear it in pieces, which is not good. It's called ragu, which means that it's mixture which is baked for a short while in oven. So, last piece. And the second dish which I want to prepare is made of shrimps. I use it as a starter, or I do it as a starter. Today it will be big dinner, so I prepared only 6 of them just to show you the recipe. But normally when we don't have big dinner like this, I prepare for each person 5 pieces. But then it's a big starter. If you want to have regular starter, just use 3 of them in the restaurant, because otherwise the people wouldn't eat the rest. And now the meat is cut. Some bones are out. If you see some bones, just take it out. You see? It doesn't really have many bones, but if you see some, take it out. So you put the fish inside the ragu. No flame, no fire, just mix it together. and softly, otherwise you have a puree of it. So you have to do it very softly. Just mix it together. You see, you have to do it really softly. And not very much, just a little bit. A bone. Okay, I think it's enough. Like that. And then you prepare it to bake, which is easier and it goes fast. I usually use, just for decoration, I use these shells. You see? This empty shell, which I use to bake in it. So, plus you add a little bit of cream. The cream is about between 33 and 40%. Yeah, the best you can put there is 40%. If you can buy 40%, buy 40. This is only 30. This is not so good. 40 is better. So if you can do it with 40, do it with 40. The cream is from cow. It's not sheep, it's not goat, it's just cow. So, the ragu is ready to be served. And you just put it to the shell. Like that. Leave some space for cheese. If you don't have cheese, don't use it. But it would be very good if you put Parmesan cheese over at the top. I'm not sure if you can buy Parmesan cheese in Thailand, but if you can buy it, buy it. You see, this is already, you see how much I have from this amount. So you see, I have four starters actually out of it. Or you can use normal dish and you can sell it as dinner. I still have some left, so I put a little bit here, a little bit here, and again here and here. So this amount was for 4 pieces. And then you grind Parmesan. It's fresh Parmesan, which I bought in Italy last year. But we put it to freezer in Sardinia. And I put it to freezer, so I have it even after 1 year. It's not really my favorite word, but it's good. So, and a little bit of salt, because we didn't put any salt in it. So, a little bit of salt at the top. And the cheese is the last one. You see? You just sprinkle it like that. So, and then you put this foil and you place the starter somehow. I hope it fits inside. It's really big. Somehow, like this. Yeah. And you put it to the oven. When it's really hot, like 200 degrees, 250 degrees, then put a grill at the top and leave it there for 10 minutes. But it has to be really hot, yeah? And place it at the top, like this. Very high. Your goal is to have it done in 5 or 6 or 7 minutes, which means it has to be up. And that's it. Final product. In the restaurant you can put some green here, some lettuce or some decoration, and the rest I put to the oven again, so I don't want it cold. So that's it. Buy and cook it as fast as possible.